What's up everybody, my name is DiDio and you're watching the DiDio Show, and today we're talking about how to play the C chord in under 60 seconds. Oh, change it up on you there. I mean, I'll start a countdown just because this part of the video takes way too long. So I'll just start a countdown whenever I start teaching the C chord. Is that better? All right. Let's just get into the awesome new channel theme song. I got it out. Sweet. Okay, so we're about to learn how to play one of the most basic yet fundamental chords you can learn. It's not too hard, but especially if you're a beginner, it might not be too easy. So I don't want to discourage you, but it might take a lot more practice than most other things you've been learning. I'm not sure, but a lot of these chords are very important to learn, especially if you're just starting out or if you're thinking about starting out. These are definitely the chords that beginners should definitely work on because they're the basis for every song. So once you learn these chords, you can pretty much play most songs. So let's go and jump into the tutorial on how to play it and where you should put your fingers, because that's kind of important. Okay, so the first finger that we're going to focus on is our first finger. It goes on the first fret of the B string, which is a C note, so that's the 1. Our second finger goes to the second fret of the D string. And then our third finger goes to the third fret of the A string. Another really cool fact, you can add your pinky right here, because I have some extra time. You can add your pinky right there to make it a 7 chord. Can you tell the difference? So that's a really cool trick, like an extra tip. Don't tell anybody. I'm joking, you can tell people. Doesn't really matter. It's a really cool trick though. I think you'll use it a lot. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, wait a second, wait. Very important tip, other than the 7 part. There is a whole playlist on other chords that beginners should learn, and I'll link it up right there. It's linked right there. Go click it, punch it, kick that, bam, click on it. Yeah, so check that out. It's full of a lot of great things, and I'm coming out with a video later on the best practicing techniques for beginners. Now, I'm just basically starting from scratch, so if you're a beginner, thank you so much for joining me. Even if you're not a beginner, thank you so much for watching this video. I've just released my first vlog a week ago, so go and check that out as well. I'll link that in the cards at the end of the video. So thank you all again so much for watching. Click one of these boxes right here. There's my vlog. There's another video right there, and then there's the subscribe button. So go ahead and punch that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.